What is going on, everybody? Here's another Trader Tuesday, and this week we're covering an indicator that I use on all of my trades, and that is the EMA, Exponential Moving Average. And actually, before we continue, make sure you're following myself at Real John Doe or JDoe on Instagram, and as well as BitBuy, and also like this video. Here we go. So what is the EMA? It stands for Exponential Moving Average, and what it does is it smooths out the effects of price volatility and creates a more clearer picture in the changing price trends. And it is a type of indicator that focuses purely on the recent price data based on whatever period moving average you are using. And it is often paired with other technical indicators such as the MACD, RSI, and the EMA or Exponential Moving Average is used mostly to confirm and validate the trend. Now, to help you understand, let's have a look at this article. So the 200-day and the 50-day EMAs are commonly used to identify the macro market trend. And they get the name due to how many days the average is for. While the 8-day and the 20-day EMAs are commonly used for swing traders and day traders, traders do use these EMAs for momentum and as well as looking for bullish and bearish signals. Bullish happens when price crosses above the EMAs, and bearish happens when price crosses below the EMAs. And if you're using two separate time frame EMAs, then you get what's called a golden cross and as well as a death cross. And as you can see here, for example, a golden cross is when the short-term EMA crosses above the long-term EMA. And then for a death cross is when you get that short-term EMA to cross below that long-term EMA. And that signals a downtrend or a bearish breakout pattern. And a quick example here before we wrap this up right here on the BitBuy Pro Trade. Let me zoom in and show you. So this red one is the 50-day EMA and this green one is the 200-day EMA. So right now, as you can see, we did have a death cross here for Bitcoin on January 13th. And since then, price has been mostly trading sideways. If we go back to 2021, we had a death cross happen when price broke down in May and June. But as we got into the end of 2021, in August, you can see here, we had a golden cross happen for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin rallied up about 60%. So from this downside now, from this death cross we've had, Bitcoin bottomed at about minus 25%. Currently, it's still moving sideways from that death cross, and we will wait to see if we do get a golden cross coming up for Bitcoin and even potentially another rally. So that's quickly how you use Exponential Moving Average on seeing the trend of price action. Hope you enjoyed.